Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to view transcript of voice message on WhatsApp. If you're using WhatsApp and now you want to view the transcription of the voice message, so let's see how can you do this. You must have to open your WhatsApp app, and then here you can see I have a voice message. Now I'm going to get transcription of this, so let's see how. You must have to go to your three dots, then settings, and here select chats. Here you have a new feature of WhatsApp, which is view message transcripts. If you won't get it here, you have to update your app. After that, just tap on it, then select the setting. Here I have selected English, just tap on it, and here it will download, and after that you have to go back, go to chat, and here keep on press on the option, then select three dots, and you'll get the transcribe option. Just tap on it, and you'll get the transcription of the app of the voice message. So that's how you can easily transcribe a voice message on WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.